It's like when you go to a gig and some guy's on stage being like, hey, everyone sing along. And you're like, I'm not going to do it. I get it. But if you agree with the stuff that I hate in this song, if you agree with everything that I'm saying pisses me off, then please, please, please help me out and sing as loud as you possibly can in the chorus. Is that cool? Alright. And in fact, if you agree with the stuff that I hate, please feel free to come to the front. Alright? Well, I hate racist blokes telling tasteless jokes and explaining where people belong. So just quickly, that means if you don't sing in the chorus and if you don't come to the front, that means you're a racist. But that's up to you. I'm only joking. I'm teasing you guys, right? I hate racist blokes telling tasteless jokes and explaining where people belong. I hate ignorant folks that pay money to see gigs and then talk through every fucking song. I hate people in nightclubs snorting coke and explaining where you're going wrong. So if you agree, then come hating with me and feel free to sing along. Let me hear you. And it goes la 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 pointless status updates on Facebook. FYI, we were never M8s. We pretend to be friends on the internet when in real life we've got nothing to say to each other. Oh brother, I have love for my mother, for good times, for music and my mates. Yeah, I laugh and I live and I have love to give, but sometimes all you can do is take what? And it goes like la 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 la. You know, I hate them fussy eaters. You cook them for heaters, but they only eat pizza and chips. I hate stepping outside for a smoke and some guy coughs like your lungs are his. Can't imagine there's too many smokers amongst us, no? Okay. I hate queuing up for festival toilets, especially when you need a shit. Sorry. And I truly hate the X Factor for murdering music. You bunch of money-grabbing pricks. And it goes la 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 la. Let me hear. La 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 la. Nice. Hate them magazines aimed at insecure teens to make 10-year-olds race to grow up. Hey kids, let's all be anorexic or better. Eat chocolate until you throw up. Don't actually do that. Keep your Hollywood stars and their stupid cars and the Botox that makes them look fucked. It was pretty awkward playing that line in LA earlier this month. It was interesting. Just grow old with grace. Have you seen Cher's face? She looks like she's been hit by a truck. And it goes la 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 la. One more time, as loud as you possibly can. And it goes la 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 la. Thank you so much for singing.